Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase wallet app on Android, fast access step by step clearly. To log into the Coinbase wallet app on your Android device, start by locating the app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the Coinbase wallet app icon to open it. Once the app launches, you will be greeted with the login screen. If you already have an existing account, enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. After entering your email address, tap on the Next button. You will now receive a verification code via email. Check your email inbox for the code. Make sure to also check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. Return to the Coinbase wallet app once you have the code. Enter the verification code in the designated field within the app. After entering the code, tap on the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may receive a prompt to enter a verification code from your authentication app or SMS. Complete this step by entering the code and tapping Verify. You will now be logged into your Coinbase wallet app. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you are using the app for the first time. Your wallet balance and recent transactions should now be visible. You are ready to start using your Coinbase wallet app on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.